Imagine a world where a simple block of wood can dance, fight, and tell stories better than any human. This is KATHPUTLI, a 1000-year-old heartbeat of Rajasthan's desert magic. It all starts here with the master artisans of the desert. These folk artists take a single piece of soft mango wood and with just a chisel carve out the soul of a character. There are no sketches or blueprints here, only a raw skill passed down through centuries of tradition. Once the form is carved, the putli gets its face. A smooth base of oil paint is applied, followed by the most important feature, the eyes. These eyes are intentionally large and hypnotic. Our folk artists paint them this way so that even in the flickering light of a village bonfire, the puppet's emotions reach the very last person in the crowd. A final coat of varnish seals the wood, giving it a royal glow. Now, the artist becomes a stylist, using vibrant scraps of bandhani and lehriya to dress the puppet. Since there are no wooden legs, the long flared skirts are designed to swirl, creating the perfect illusion of a dancing body. Now here, you might see legs on some modern puppets, but in the truest tradition, a KATHPUTLI has no wooden legs. The body is actually stuffed cotton, and the movement comes from these layered, flared ghagras. When the puppet spins, the air fills the fabric, creating the perfect illusion of a dancing person. The fabric does the dancing and not the feet. Now the magic is wired. These master artisans loop the strings directly onto their fingers. No control bars, just pure dexterity. Hidden behind a colorful screen, the puppeteer becomes a shadow, allowing the wood to come to life with every flick of the wrist. Look at these faces. This isn't just a show, it's a living heritage. As we move into a digital age, let's not forget the analog magic of the strings. Protecting this art is protecting the very soul of Rajasthan. KATHPUTLI isn't just India's past, it is a living, dancing part of our future.